Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your Zara account's password from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Zara. Once you've done that, click on this application, download and install it, and click on open. Now, once you've opened and chosen your region, all you need to do is tap on this person icon on the bottom right, and then this is going to go ahead and pop up for you. Now, all you need to do right over here is simply go ahead and tap on Forgotten Your Password tab, which is going to show up. Wait, let me just go ahead and show it to you. So simply tap on Have you forgotten your password, and it's going to take you here. Simply go ahead and enter your email and click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to your email that you'll have to enter back here, and then you can reset your password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll